Today we are going to see some very important trigonometric formulas. These are extensively used in 10th class, 12th class and competitive exams like CET, engineering also. So today we are going to see that one. Let us see the formulas one by one, which I have already written in the whiteboard. First is a definition of trigonometric ratio. Now there are two type of definition of a trigonometric ratio. One is that is being used in the 10th class and another is in the higher class. Now that you can read that one and you can learn also. Second is the relation between the trigonometric ratio, that is tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta and so on. Third is the identities, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, etc. Now these three formulas, these are going to use in the 10th class. Others are useful in the 12th class, engineering and so on. Okay. Now here I have already given the figure which shows that what is meant by the opposite side, adjacent side with respect to angle theta. And second figure that shows that what is meant by the x and y. X and y is the coordinate of a point P, which has been written, which has been drawn in the first quadrant. R means the distance between the origin and the point P. Okay, that you can able to see it clearly here. Now next formula is trigonometric ratio of multiple angles. Multiple angles means like 2 theta, 3 theta and so on. So here sin 2 theta is being given as a 2 sin theta cos theta. There are other formula also of the sine of 2 theta. Similarly cos of 2 theta. There are 3 or 4 options are there which you can able to use. Tan of 2 theta is there. Then sine of 3 theta, which I have written it here, that you can able to read and learn. Next formula is the addition theorem. Addition theorem is here the angles are in terms. That is there are two terms like sine of x plus y or the sine of x minus y, cos of x plus y and so on. So there are 6 formulas of the addition theorem. This I have written it here. Sixth formula is factor theorems. That is sine of a plus b, sine of a plus sine of a plus sine of b, or sine of a minus b and so on. See here there are the two terms of the trigonometric ratio which we can add or subtract to express in the factor form. See the right hand side we are getting the trigonometric ratio of the factors. Now another one, seventh is a defactorization theorem. That is here you have been given in factor form like 2 sine of x cos of y, and that can be expressed in terms of the trigonometric ratio. There are two terms of the trigonometric ratio. Here there are 4 forms. Another is 8th formula is the trigonometric ratio of special angles. Special angles means 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and so on. Now this formula is also useful for the 10th class. Here I have written in the tabular form. Sine of 30 is how much, sine of 45 is how much and so on. Now ninth formula is the sine rule. These are useful in the 12th class of the engineering. Sine rule is been given. 10th formula is the cosine rule. Cosine rule of the triangle. It depends upon the triangle. Now name of the triangle I have taken as a ABC. So there are the 3 formulas for the cosine rule. Ninth is the Eulerian theorem. This is useful in the even in the 12th class or in the engineering. And last is the hyperbolic function. So there are 3 formulas for the I have not written because of the space. And this is the all about the formulas. This is all about the trigonometric formulas. You learn by the heart, and this is very useful for the calculus or the limit, differentiations, integration